Good afternoon and welcome back to the channel. Today is Thursday, the 16th, I think, of September. Losing track of days. There's so much going on, it's unbelievable. Anyway, I'm down here in South Shore, Blackpool. And if you've been watching the channel or a couple of other vloggers' channels, you will notice the giant mirror ball called They Shoot Horses, Don't They? Is being reconstructed back on the promenade after having its massive refurbishment and all 47,000 mirror tiles replaced. Yes, 47,000 mirror tiles. Anyway, let's go see how they're getting on. So yeah, we are on day 3 of reconstructing this big jigsaw puzzle. And look how glorious it is looking now. It's beautiful. Just look at this. How it's reflecting the sky in the mirrors. And the sun keeps glinting off it. It's looking absolutely stunning. So yeah, you can see one of the lower sections have been installed up there. Obviously the mirrors need to be finished off, and all the bearings inside that make it turn have all been replaced. All the electrics, it's not been rewired and all been checked out that it's fully working. And yeah, once it all goes back up and they switch it on, it will rotate at 1 rotation per minute. Now the ball itself is 6 meters in diameter and it was originally weighing in at 4.5 tons. Now these mirrors are 1 millimeter thicker than the previous mirrors at 4 mil, so it's probably added a bit to the weight. Putting these 2 segments together here. How cool is this? Yet another absolutely beautiful day here down in Blackpool. See South Pier over there, and the tower, and the pleasure beach. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful day. So yeah, that's your little update for today. That's where we're up to. I'll be back down here tomorrow to see what else has been done.